In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome 2025 update. To get started, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Click that three-dot menu to open the main Chrome options. This is where Google keeps most of the browser controls, so it is a good place to remember anytime you need to change settings or troubleshoot. Next, you are going to choose the option for deleting browsing data. Depending on your Chrome version and layout, you might see it listed as Delete Browsing Data right in the menu. If you do not see it immediately, move to More Tools and then select Clear Browsing Data. Either route takes you to the same place. After you select it, Chrome will open the Clear Browsing Data window. This is where you can clear cached files and cookies. Take a moment here because clearing cookies can sign you out of some websites. If you are working on an important account, make sure you know your login details before you continue. In this window, choose the time range you want to clear. If you are trying to fix a problem that started recently, you can clear a shorter time range. If the issue has been happening for a while, selecting a longer range is usually more effective. Then make sure the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. These are the two items that match what we are doing in this tutorial. Finally, confirm the action to clear the data. Chrome may take a few seconds to finish, especially if you have not cleared it in a long time. Once it is done, you can refresh your pages or restart Chrome for the cleanest result. And that is all there is to it.